What's going on? So here's the deal. I am on my lunch break. I'm trying to lose weight. So instead of going out and eating a big fat cheeseburger, I'm coming home and working in my garage. So you got 3 filters right here. So this is the deal. At work, we have air filters spread throughout the plant, and for whatever reason they threw 4 of them away. I took one of them apart and got this little thing. I mean, it's probably not even a ½ pound of copper, but heck, it's better than nothing. So I'm going to give you a little POV, point of view, scrap out, since I usually have my camera over here somewhere. So you might get seasick a little bit. I need this to be longer. I like my little magnet thing here, but these things get in the way. I gotta put those somewhere. Let's try this sucker. Alright, so I moved the camera down a little bit. Hopefully you can see a little better. Oh man. Is that the right one? Well, you son of a... That can't be right. No wonder. I don't even have the right one. Come on, man. Get it together. That's not it either. All right. We're in business now. Yep. Freaking love this thing. So you get in here and you got some cords. Okay, so I turned this thing back on. It just went out. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, just some wires to get out. Nothing salvageable there. Very little here. Hardly even worth taking the time, but I'm here now, so I'll do it. And what I do with these little wires is I put it in my wire bucket over here. Oh, what do we got? Buttons and knobs. Yeah, okay. So nothing. Plastic. Gonna get thrown away. Now we got some wires in here we have to do something with. I'll start cutting here. Yeah, I'm gonna be seeing my college friends December 3rd, which is a little over a month from now. And I just don't want to look like Shrek. I've been putting on weight because I just eat whatever I want, whenever I want. Drink a bunch of Mountain Dew and everything else. And I just feel like crap too, so it's probably time for me to do something about it. No fast food, no soda, no snacks, and just eating right. I'm not going to be able to do it forever, but I'm going to do it right now. I think I took this thing and got this flange off of here. There we go. Ooh, we got wires falling, we got shred falling. Let's see if I can get it out of there. There we go. Shred in there. All right, that's shred, and that's a nice little nugget of brass. Actually, it's not light, so that's nice. Now, how are we gonna get this out of here? I think we need a punch tool. Take this out. There it goes. There we go. Hey, look, another brass thingy. Well, what the heck? I didn't see these on the last one. Fan. I'm a fan of your work. Nuts and bolts, more plastic. Well, let's see, will this work? Can't remember. Sheesh, that was aggressive. That's all metal. That's a wire. What do we have to do with this thing now? Well, there we go. Sweet. And this will not be heavy steel because it has aluminum. And it has to be, can have any non-ferrous on it. So that is simply shred. Let's see if this will work a little better. Yeah, it does. Get that off of there. I'm trying to hurry because I'm filming. I don't need to do that because I can just edit it. There we go. I figure this is better use of my time than stuffing my face. And I love junk food so much. I mean, I could eat it all day, every day. I hate to say it. Okay, so now do this. Oh, I got unscrewed. I didn't have to do this for the last one. I don't think. There. Oh, see? It's so much easier when you do it right. Shit. Alright. Shred. Alright, let's see what we could do here. I'm gonna make a mess. Oh, wait. I think the idea is good. Okay. Okay, so this is a spur of the moment thing. I'm sure I can make it better, but my goal is to keep all the copper inside of here. Yeah, the fact that it's sitting on this cord right here is making it topsy-turvy, but let's give it a try. Jeez. I took my fan downstairs yesterday, tried to clean up, but I need it. Oh! Well, looky here. Oh, man. Come on now. Can you guys see that? It's freaking aluminum. Ugh, what a waste of time. This isn't worth doing. The only reason why this will be worth doing is to get this as heavy steel. So instead of 17 or 7 cents a pound, 7.5 cents, you're gonna get whatever. But the aluminum, that's garbage. Certainly, we'll see what this one is. This one's different than the other one, so maybe this is copper. Oh man. All right, one of them's copper. Garbage? Not garbage. All right. I'm sure these are going to be aluminum. This might be copper, I don't know. All right, sweet, this one's copper too. Well, what's the deal with that one then? A pile of dookie. Half and half. I've got some down here. Let's see. And I don't know what they are. Okay, that's copper. Okay. Out this big old mammoo. That's a heavy one. There you go. That's copper as well. Okay, so kept all the dust in there pretty much, which is going to be mixed dust. It got copper and aluminum in there. Mostly copper, so that's good. There we go. So I could probably melt this. In fact, I probably will actually, but
Democratic consultant.
okay. Okay. Look, a copper mushroom.
State of Utah, they've made Utah enemy number one. Strange with these swing state elections. And from what I'm hearing from sources in D.C., Ted Cruz and Rand Paul that particularly annoy the left. Because you have the capability of dragging a swampy Republican over to the right. So they can get rid of a guy like you with a Evan McMullen. He reminds me of Beto O'Rourke. He's whatever you want him to be, right? Type. Then it really serves two purposes. It flips the seat for the Democrats, but then second, it makes one of the conservative influencers, whatever you want to call it,
Okay.
and leaves kind of the swamp rats behind.
That's right.
See if we got a bucket around here.
Senator Mike Lee running re-election, and makes a good point, folks. You got to lock in that vote. I understand and I sympathize. A lot of people don't like to vote early on the Republican side. I get it. I've been a candidate.
Let's weigh the copper.
Asymmetric warfare. The Democrats lock their votes in early. They don't want anything to happen. Kids get sick. It's sad. I wish this stuff, but it prevents a lot of Republicans from.
Okay, 6 pounds, 6.1 pounds of copper.
I was just reading an article before you came on the air.
That's a good lunch break right there. And that stuff, all the clean stuff is going to go into here because that is the stuff that I melt. If I just turned it in like that, I'd get number 2 copper, and that's probably not even, I don't know if that's $2 a pound, which is ridiculous. So, yeah, some of the stuff I have to clean up. Okay, that was your nooner for the day. Oh, I did get scratched from that stupid wire. Copper's dangerous. Spread the word. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.